All right, how to print different symbols like this. So some of the noun symbols like currency symbol you can easily put, but what if you want to print something like this, or rupee symbol, or some other special characters, not really currency, right? So how to do that? You have to format, go to format cells. Okay, so for this I have used this symbol under custom, right? So if you want to use, say for example, I want to, okay, I will just google what are the special characters we have. Okay, let's see this. Go here, instead of this I will put this, and this is a format specifier. Okay, yeah, that's right. So same thing, if you just pay it, it will happen like this. And this is separated by two numbers, and also there is additional comma here that also you can remove. All right, so this I will remove. So this also hash dot hash hash. Okay, so now click like this. Okay, now let me change this to something else, say dollar, right? Dollar. This is not gonna print. Okay, let's see this if it was custom. Select this and just place it here. Okay, yeah, so pasting this will change everywhere. So literally you can put anything as long as the character is printable. It's not necessarily a currency symbol, right? So that's how you do. You can format your currencies with different symbols. So, like for example, you have some virtual currency, you want to put the symbol, you can do that. Thank you.